Father Paul, Father Road, dear kind, the palm choke. Dear me bunny, and tree ye cry. And we had my such na and branch any mabawa near a shade room. Ya be beside. Chin any mupa, it was some fun chemmy. The moon 7 years when I check. And for so say, a being free me or madja. Timmy Sram, a John Trucker say pan and be from. Now, of course, Amamo, Reverend Father, and chain. Says Accolade, me a single parent. When near Jack. Ya, this is a Mukasa Mopana. This is a Mimi Kwana Samiba. This which me you me, Sammy Conentina. It is Samu, Mokabi Mammy, Number Chin and Papa. Sadio and Alpha, my catcher said, a free nen did a cook. My office woman is bo. When you need you, yes, as way, it's in office woman and call. I go for problem behind your brain. It's someone who find them what it. The moon send you sit here. Why you do my check? It's me coffee when you be on from. Find me, I'm okay, mammy. Okay, mammy, now, because I'm more pound. I ain't a mere play here. I be a word braces so. We are school, or better if you quack when I'm sad. Ombra, no message in your one way. Some French and what it. I'm okay, mammy.
Sister Madeline. Oh, the Aqualani. Trust means everything. Once the trust is broken, sorry means nothing.
You're uncalled for. I know.
You see, trust a core value that this orphanage was built on. The Doyen is just like jeopardizing the integrity of national security. If that happens, what do you do? So going back to the Reverend Father, not to render an apology on behalf of this, your daughter, is very, very, very difficult. And yet, to me, the Aquarian idea. She say, what no. Yes. And try ye back.
Madam, just as you say, you should buy Nkansah. One couple of for them and go straight to the police station. Where are we now? Okay. By now, we're here. You see, Obe pretty amount Barakuraba and 10 men and force. What's the piano?
All of it.
Can you? It's nice we're very careful about it. Woman who be so rapid, you're so wouldn't move.
Yes, you know it.
So listen, someone who say I am quiet, yeah. You know. We can find
Someone. I must ask so far. Just say some dinner chip.
Anyway, what kind of thing? You have already for them. Because me there, you know. This area, so on the show, you catch him and say, what else here? So be it. To work at
terrible. All right, send here. He has the final authority.
Oh, so Kazakhstan, very simple.
Go. You said we are very fine. You said we are very fine.
Reverend Father, and now what I can say, we disagree to agree or we agree to disagree. And now can I say, the Lena Matthias said, we are but a boy who trap, and you can, I can. Sister Madam, living around why you say, yes, it's a teacher. I know baby by the most and so fact. ɔde dwatoa abɛsi yɛn so sɛ nyakwara yɛ ɛtwa yi ɔkorɛ kae ne nyinaa soso ɛma ne hu sɛ nyakwara no yɛ ɛtwa yi ɛnyɛ ne kwan koraa no sɛdeɛ wano a abɔna no wa ne nkyɛ sɛ ɔdidi ɛdɛ ɛntwa nsuo ma ne fira akwara no ma ɛtwi n'anim ne de kasa ma sɛ ɔbɛsu kura ne nse nsuo no wasɛ sɔfo ɛkyerɛ ne bɔbrɛ ebi yɛ so ɔgyina na yi nim sɛ ɛne maame nti na wɔwɔ ase sɛ bisɛ pɔnkɔ kora bɔ dam a sɛ ka ne wɔte nsuo ɔmmɔda sɛ wo maame kora agya ne office anaasɛ ɔgya ne plato a wonni asɛ sɛ documents koraa ne bu sa yɛ dɛ ɛkɔ so saa foto no wana de ma ɛne nyinaa nkamfoɔ no kyerɛ sɛ sɛbi yɛka wo hwɛnyɛ akwara no wafɔ ɔno ɔho sɛ no ɔyɛ no anyɛ ma ɔtode before ma nso apankyɛw sɛ ɛsi yɛ bia ne yɛmfa nkyɛ no nkwalasɛm na ɔdiiɛ na ɔnyɛ bio ɔpɔm sɛ ɔnyɛ bio na yɛbɛka biara so na noa so na ɔyɛ de ɔbɛdi so sɛ ne yɛmmra na yɛmfa mɛtu ɔno na yɛnsrɛ ma no nso so ɔyɛ batampa ɔyɛ bi ma ɔfiri soro ba a wobɛtɔ hɔ a na watase ahaban nyinaa de abɔ ɔbɔ no ɛfi obiara de hyɛ wo mu na kamagya ma naka afei makwara no akɔnkɔ ɛno sɛ ɛde baeɛ
it's not a fact asɛm yi bɛsɛ asɛm no deɛ na megyina ne ɛne sɛ akɔfa no kɔneka biiri nyawa ɛno nso sɛdeɛ famfoɔ ɛka wode kyerɛ sɛ mkyɛ no mfa nkyɛ batampa no nso no yɛkasa kyerɛ no paa ma no nkusa bɔfra sɛbisɛbi ɛso ɔpɛ no gya yie nti no ɛtwi n'anim nti ɔna wo no megye di sɛ kɛbɛtumi ɛfa wɔmmɔ nkɔkɔ de sɛ bi nsi bio
nipanifo deɛ moka nyinaa ɛyɛ mfiri de ɛba tim gyama ne ka na dwumadeɛ adi da ha yi ɛnyame ɛna boa yɛ a sɛ be wo ne nkɛgyina asɛmpa sisi a aka me yɛte asɛm ma baako fɔ ɛka sɛ yɛ akanka adeɛ yɛ sɛ wapɔ bra abrɛde yɛsɛ biribi mfie no biribi nata kɔpɛ ɔbɛduma ato ɛde sɛ no mana deɛ memfa ne agorɔ paa nanso yɛkɔyɛ abusua sɛ kɔbie papa wahaw papa so papa waso nokɔ awadi anam asɛm yi yɛntimi yɛntwɛre tia ɔsɛ ka akɔla no kɔ nanso akɔyɛ papa bi a yɛnnuaba madale ɔfama na kɔma ba wode tɛ akyi saa wode sɛ me nanso sɛ moatimi atena ase makasa akyerɛ no yɛabɔfo no akasa na moagye atumi sɛ yɛmfa nkyɛ ne biara ɛne weka mmaroyɛ ana ɔsɛ yɛwie nti mɛserɛ mo ne na wo no boaseɛ deɛ mempɛ muyɛ anka so meda wo se
nso meda wo se papaapa akra yɛ wɔyi akyerɛ mu seesei kyɛ sɛ abɔ bi kusa mekɔ a he na meekɔ ɛne ɔno soso maka kyerɛ sɛ mekɔ a mene nyinaa na ɛkɔ
wane ne konkora
yɛkɔ yi soso yɛni hwee ayi kɔdie wei na mede adwuma wei na mede ahwɛ wɔ a amasɛ bɛbi so nti wɔde akyɛ me a yɛbɛka sɛ aseda ɛyɛ wo dea wone mpanyimfo na mɛhwɛ so sɛ ebi ɛnsi bi ɛhwɛ sɛ bi nsi bio
sɛ mpani sɛ nyasɛ tia wo nan so a yɛhwɛ ne yɛ abo ɔkyerɛ wo nyasɛ Reverend yɛbɛda wo ase sɛ nso yɛde bɛto wɔ woantwe amamɔfo na yɛ nyinaa ɛsu sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ a mede si bio na serious
Bibiara obeyano kai unu se ederade anim won't me fancy o kese ida no menyina da nani madejo adibiara obeyano kai unu se ubetwa so aba the orphanage Nkansah yeso muye free set.
Oh God, what's going on? Akrami amako class okono. Meko obi ma yesu ni ho. Ena o ka kire revenue so a ase enha no emfa ne ho. Because na minimana. Because Emmanuel said here, I'm sure I need to get to the root of this. Also, if you because oh God.
Wow. I never thought you would become a sister. This is surprising to me.
Yeah. You know my mother is a sister. Why are you orphanage? Being in Kwadwo. It's finally in the school and necessary and because of 14.
Wow.
It's a life for the
Kwadwo. We can show you say. So,
sorry. Oh Jesus, only married. Only there's a problem. There's a problem. Too many no. Now you one and me. Just a minute to me.
What is it?
Orphanage. And then easy. And your man, it's in get to be possible. I don't understand. You share them stuff. Nkansah. I'm family to him saying, "What do you want?" A bit in the So ever since I'm joining me, I want family to him. And crying, wow, number acquire. That's why I vanish. She's like, oh, no details, no documents. But you just have to there was this child, Emmanuel said, "Me call on the class na Kwanabe having Miss Auntie Mammy Pakwana." The next day, me call her Akana in the class. There one was in him say, "Biasi, a crabby no one near friend Emmanuel say, Mammy's willing to sign a contract. Or family to change. Me call complaining, not Reverend Bofu, Father Munina Bofu. Including my mom. So I was like, what's going on? We are here to protect the kids. He said, no man call you and say, Hamia. Many Haminas will be able for me. The course was so sad.
Are you in your first time?
No. It's the first time there. I've ever seen people with pee and as I happen a father of prayer. The next day, me call the class. I could check it up. Me call ya.
What?
Yes. Are you sure? Sis, and easy.
And who complained tripping from today? They don't
make a complaint you. The first time I'm complaining, and he is me. What you say? This is my mother is a me monetarium. And now, why do you buy me dreams alone? Kuna Jumano Tia see. Continue from the two.
This is very bad.
Very, very bad. There's this particular doctor. Sometimes over donation man cry. Me finding it so suspicious. If you are I will be a done. Now be pack car. Na
Oba the way I want Nancy as one person will be not father back who did an chain and reverend and so Cassie. A baby 7 years so we are a free campo a portion in room called I don't understand like sad doctor no me who be am feel fine.
Okay. From the old condemn say Oba Otaba Hopa. And have you really observed say Oba Hoa and Ankrano me person is so but sana didn't pack me who ni pay the next day I'll be pack check akwani. This is really serious. We have to really look into this. The fact that they are orphans doesn't mean they are not humans. And you know, these cases have been going on. We've been having several reports. I'm telling you. We've been working on similar cases. Wow. But at the end of the day, you know what? Leave this to me. Leave this case to me. I'll help you. Thank you. I'm not only helping you, I am helping to save the life of the kids. What's the name of the orphanage?
I'll send you the lab in case you want to get home.
Sure. And any other necessary detail, just forward everything to me. I'll really look into this.
I'll do that when I get home. Sure. I'm trusting you.
You know me. I've always been serious.
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, to be honest, you really, really look good. Oh, see you. Okay.
I'm taking my name.
So funny, yeah, you must have been.
Man.
Ada, the penny for seeing free. You ready? As usual, I said, normally I had the form of fancy. It two and a more immediately. Never starts from a city. As a time of echo. And me on my promoter. When be in and slap it. The simple. Cancel the artisan. They would do my media. You can't be your mom would have a fire. I said, I'm call. When I'm to you. This is an artisan. Oh, we okay. Feel comfortable. Yeah, about still. Your own paints. One sign, you. One more return much. Why?
So, they say, Yamina Paso. God does not live alone. So, the baby beer is offended. No one trusting me, Nadia was as so many great children. Jadebia and Yamedi show Sasa Shesumano. They are here, I will say, two united. Tina, I am for the brain say, we are here, Yamedi Nipa, Sabi, and more in Sue in Nia, Assassino, and more was in now or their shows. Songs. They had in the paper. I knew Sabi and your bonnet and back. You say, Yame, the body in the binny. Yamin well no, and then the pastor said, you knew. Says, I walk out, but he I'll have a couple. And shall of one, say, maybe as own said, oh, what dad or no, say, I may back or ban what the more as an area so far.
My dear, Jimmy Crank, make us a monarch as a man. God said, we'll see the genus, there can say, or Baba.
In no way, so.
Bowie.
Wadakaka.
I'm just so father. So, said the father, poor kind. We are Adam and Eve. Among whom also share, and I bought the accommodation, so much just read, and I will see others. It is also a massacre. Let me check. Father, say, what did you come? Who did you present? You pay 4 crowds. Say, the Aldana so you. I mean, Quanamida. Quanamida. Oh, come on. What's about me? I mean, actually, oh, wow. This is also happening. Why? Some transfer. And many baby rabbits are pretending much in a pair. I mean, person. Why? Returning when we can't. Oh, and the attempts are useful. So, yeah, we started up. Oh, okay. Mamma, But I'm part of the mass.
I said that
Should come out. As I could ask a penny, son. Oh, say, but I must be Bob, those are well.
Maybe any answer.
No way, any council. Oh, BBS. Then Papa was better with you. Yes. BBN, what do you mean?
Jano Banus supportive. Leja Ostro, dear one to Wahini Bra, Medina was as you said a year or so. Dad, I saw him ye film museum. So no swahili too many and William Nara, a young dear. The whole when I'm in a montra, who marry go call at my show. See, Amen.
Amen.
Namji, they're quite a few. Alright.
Yo, for that.
Yeah, the master. What did you be a woman for?
Oh, no. What does he have? You work at Kwadwo. I'm just one plan. I am not a normal one. But we are not to be dealing now. Hey, yeah, regular. Kwadwo say a meku from no Nkansah. Because this time said they are sorry come. I say members in the suit. Also, you know Nkansah no Kwadwo ntra wuti twa kraba. Asori be koso akese page na meku. Mr. You say wa okay can foot. Kenya ho.
You are the all Canada no pray. Now I say a my time senya omu so bo ha afi na opon adimo be ye de na ma meku ni ade.
Da, na me che ya di bo fi han se no pe. Uda kwa no be mi onu, uda kwa no be mi onu.
Hey.
Ade do sa.
Me ko kan wo so na ba be ware mi.
Na nyam chere se de do sa. Onu na ebe ware wo.
O so na be ware.
Na hwan ya di utrin sa.
Mi ra me kan yo. Me kan me sesa nya me che yo wa. Me hu so ya akra o so ye pani o. Me mpa ayi bia o. Usa be ka kire o.
Okay. Na me akodi akra no kra me kan. Me busa fada senti nyame che we obeboa me. Akra se ni situtu yansa na ye wu no. Se wu na ni situ ye o. Enti se evende. Tu pesa me mfa nkwa.
Me sew. Me mfa nko. Me mfa nko. Ade ntina so ko me anufo.
Na se ni o di free so no de ba so.
Me sew me mfa nko.
Tu mu na mo wa.
Na obi e pono kwa men tu go wan se wo show.
What?
Na se nyam che fa bi so di sahwede me be yele wai. Hwatade a show tintrin. Le tintrin kwa de nkeye. Na hwe bi wo pa yakosi. So fu mame. Eni ma bi wo a enye enhye nyam ye ni nyam. So fu ba. Na ko cha tale wi e be de ne nyam che hu a. Ne kon no.
So ya akra ko be unsa ne kondo bi. Ko be unsa ne kondo oba. Say we just say when
Nyame chase mu de me dwa ho a me ntiase. It is say da be ne.
me ra me say yam fa ne nko. Yam fa ne.
Untim ne. Hwe wo ne friend bra. Nyame chei.
Many yen.
We de me na so me pe be ma na we de.
Many yen.
Yam fa ne ko.
Fa ne ko.
When he 55, so he is 60. Okay, he is 65. He 55.
55.
55.
Abo.
Yes.
Asho, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
By donation. Just 7 minutes. You're welcome, please.
Thank you. My name is Priscilla Mackenzie, and I'm Mohammed Mushmat. We are from the World Health Organization.
Therefore, you are World Health Organization. You're trying to show you. You're paying for a no more in make my introduction.
Within the Priscilla Mackenzie from World Health Organization. It's Mohammed Mushmat. Yen ye share nipa ho apomuden ho sensen ewo yemayim eni biase afane na aban na wo omayim no e de akonya empo se e be ko orphanages ko ne wo Ghana ha nyina na yakwa akwohwe nkora na komuden eni kwanya omufa so omedidie omo exercise na omobenyi fefe na yi omo free ya reboni bia eni wanti ne bai na yetutu ye orphanages bebree mu na me ni me na aba se na hwe ni me disa adwuma we kama na bia ntana nti se mo hu ye wo ha na nya ne bone so aban no ina so na ya na adwuma di ya ye di aban no afa ho kanyina emu njuo emu nyane emu equipment nyama bebree ni na organization ni na so obehwe mo ni bibia kama I think it's
Lisa.
aba. Idi ka beda mosi. Yesu ye ni aji. Imagine die. Ya ni sie naso. Ni penye mi dikai. Na mi penny fa kai na bo bechido. Na asida ede mam ni bia sugar na mampenyine John Bema ni mama so ana ne health minister nyango program say about 20 pegu say mun ko Orphanage na nko hwe bofa na pomuden mo de bibia na mafa na menye fe bima hu sampa aba na ya ba papa aba bia no wa ba why sadi aba we and this aba second kami very first time me me agubi jo mama kwaya de ya misha on the health minister what did said mungina muni eda masi ye ne so ya jimotu mo beka ho na mo boy na pocho maba
we dey letter and he dey buy na me aduma Monday e best start here
Monday and if you
Monday
meme kwesi adu yo ati eda masi ya misha ba
and so you better must see buy imagine your office
Timo
we are
mali
looking forward to work with you accordingly
o pe na be ba na no so abafa wani dem so abafa
me passion wa fa bia
mama tu ndo ni Omo fere mo pe bia mo kami
oh yeah okay
na pacho mo ba mbo kwa ba na se mo be de
see the letter ni dey buy but you best start Monday ni dey ba e ma 3 months yeah 3 months program so
mo ba se mo go bi
no
na se se pe me
na sa 3 months mo so mo am bi fi mo aba ni bi
aba fa bia let's say mo se se kabaka why am I very sisi money than you o ba fa na be ko ni la be 70 na me gusa
we just want a ventilated room that's okay yeah
Sini yang mau buat, mereka sisi dia mau. Ada masih. Tapi yang mana ni mana?
And say that say you buy a magic your person. Nyami adu mama ndi. Nhwe ni.
Ani mama ba. My confused. You see, I'm still friend Mohammed.
Mushrat.
Huh?
Mushrat. If they know in Pakistan, and 50-50.
Remember you.
Enough.
They were not so. They were Mushrats.
He must be behind him.
Mohede until some of the petition government terminal renovation, the baby I can once again. This is so bad.
Very bad. Now we have to say private individual there. Huh?
That's all we need to know. I'm partner.
We have our business.
Anyway, let's go straight to it. Dog, what's the business? You break even, then you grow with it.
Exactly.
Now, normal to say, Nioma air the way I wish. And it's a purchasing of 111. I think we are so far through with it. I think I say giving at 3. We need 3 kids.
Oh.
I say,
I see.
Yeah.
Business now grow.
Of course.
I expanded.
Of course.
It's moving at 3.
Yeah.
At a go.
Yeah, sure. I see if there were media.
Anyway, I think I want 1 year.
You know what?
One step at a time. It means that human life, and you can once in you. And they are in the custody of a very revered person, a Roman father. For that matter.
I think this kind of conversation shouldn't even be between us. We are talking of business and that kind of discussion, babe.
And I'm talking about the source.
The source, I already know where the source is from. And you need not to discuss this with me.
Then why not go there straight away?
No. And
yeah, sometimes. Who could take security and I just said, maybe any is out. Human life in the account was fair enough. I can't say I'm cooking and quiet and I'm watching about. Yeah,
I said, are you in? We need 3 kids. And one, okay. And that's it. See, this is the price. Ha! And one on the
there been a thought that didn't me for a second to me. Very risky. What do you say? And you're Kitwan, you now, Castle rushing me through. I don't mean and cook more poetry for my father. Anyway, what can I say? But you have 200,000 Ghana cedis. It means another 600.
The money isn't an issue because they're already minimum price out the money for one. However, we may dream period now. Okay. Because we need it ASAP. Yeah.
That will be no convenience. And I made the officer rushing me through like a zombie. If it's a call, I know my coach. Anyway, what can I say? Mako make a big mix. Yeah, just one. You hear from me. It is any kind. You sell 600,000 Ghana cedis.
I think let me say conversation now. Maybe they will come in common as the intimate demand. Make the time free conversation. Business deal no. The money and the time frame. That's it. The idea where actually time in the
We need problem. There's a 1 day within 2-3 days. Now we 3 today 1 week. We deliver. We discover by.
I know that you are talking. Sir, account from we'll do the transaction. Right.
It told me Sana over to me income.
So sir. I think say Nini Nkansah me no Nkansah yes.
Sande tie bebe. Eduma no mayache. And I know. Other colleagues no toda omo yenti. Ama say many other ho.
I already know the process. Yeah, don't worry. All the time. Okay, latest by 2 o'clock. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. You can watch your mama.
Martin. Oh, that's it. All right. Until we get any okay. Sharing.
Petty. The former come on. I'll be rushing through. 3 at a time.
Father Abraham, I know of a semi tree, so my son be say, here she shemu. Niana, the radianima de Johnny, Yana, the radianim. It's such a 2 way. Won't to me fancy a raddy. Tefring me, I have been Tefring me, so I track. We are Papa, Ubetra. Nasa we are born in Sua, Ubetra. Yamupi carry any mutranya me sumpa. Nasia Kumani, I dream soon.
Metas, my man in Tansia. When you're home, Jessica. When you're home, Jessica. I cry more than mammy. When you say I cry when you cry. What me this up where we are, man? Some of the caricature say into way a woman. Father wouldn't pass it, and woman. Casamaya, sorry, we offering boy a park case car. Ayra. Yet she more what could ye be a pay? And I can and get one with the abbey. Many Nkansah and Umpokrade can hide you. May you read Dalia, not got it a walk. Eh, better. When me pass or a while. Me Baba never die, walk me. Father, no we. And I'm Dick Nkansah a baby. Whoa! Hey! Na minim se ne se no krase ya de wu no se senyo.
Na wo de na baby ya wo de je no bai. We ya janka bosuma na za we ya janka ni.
Nyamche.
I mean,
I say, oh, didn't know go for to do someone name. I mean, no one as I say. I
saw a soft cado. Oh, boy,
I would say, never feel I walk. I'm soon. One of them I don't miss.
I never on an accent.
Yanne ko ye jana
I won't be.
So, I may patch you. I will say about Philip Forbes, who say, maybe was it, I abide and agree by any conduct of what the child.
It doesn't matter. Yanne ko fe ye jana.
I said, what violate
Father, Yanko, you be sham.
Do what you do.
You. I don't why and it.
Yamiche.
One yet, no one yet, one yet.
Hey. People do bear park and pay me.
Hey, Fada. Claudia.
Hey. Yamiche, wouldn't be a.
Where are we?
Behave yourself in the food.
Hey!
Now, so what is that?
Hey, instead of going
to.
Hey, Yamiche. My shot. And your near Befia. Think I hope you have been dinner with our grandmother. Yes, I would your call. Be by mentioning me, sir. Ama, Father Modifa Abdo.
But I know, Sana tell you, what to be no signal is to come and say, come and name Koshaw. One Martin.
Ah,
you can remember
what condition. Then go sit down.
Hey, maybe I see crab.
You never found to him.
Yamiche.
Okay, Father, what do you be welcome over your call? No, so
is it there? Person?
What's up?
Is it? I
die.
Make a sense. Come here, I've brought you. Then come see 1 minute to return back from your ship. Nanka, ya 1 man bear 5,000 BM that starts a rebel.
Oh, so what?
But I'm a wallet.
You're going to go great.
I don't know you.
You can't small body.
Hey, you're going to go.
That's it. Go. Come on, I'm going to go.
Hey,
you plan to go walk to China.
You better wait to see. Just will be happy.
I'm a player too. I'm your food. Someone knows that 4. Okay, let's go. 4. Going to the boss. No. Why? What's the name? Because I am too late. Because I am too late. Because I am too late. Wow, you know, make you stop. Hello. Hello. Hi. All of you, keep quiet and listen. See, your walk. Doctors for her. About a shovel. Wow, wow, was your role. You see, Dr. Mackenzie, Dr. Wishnat. Oh, I'm more handsome, my vision. You see, yeah, what the kind of water. Hello. Hi. Today, Shaka and I are making some and who have it now for 3 solid months. And you're there, I said, oh, yeah, but no one shade in a beautiful man. How do I bet sharing? And I said, why? Yeah, come on. Why? The orphanage. Nkansah. Yes, oh, muye. Yes, oh, muye. Free, sir.
The question is, near Koswa, I need you. Of him said, why wouldn't you? Here you may actually almost 30 years. Now I do critical condition. And that's the situation. Number down what chairman sir. Eh? Nti we fee near me here at the bois sa orphanage. Donations are what me here. Toda kra itimi e kran near me fra amanone na me dia beso ni nyina ya yonkofa e da mbene wi ni ntamti. Eh, ni ntam sikasa. Akotote. Chimati bia emmamuda. Na fe emra ya adru critical condition. And that's the situation. Wo be di aboa me ama manim abanyam e wo nipa bi anim ama yetima atwa so akwaso aye adwuma na mo dan wachi ama me reverend ni akwaso yedi e ahwehwe maso nya bibi ma me esa manim ogu ase me hwira de enso me hwira enso a orphanage enso abeka mo bi isira mo bi
doctor ye fani hanen kwa application ma fi children some baby wo Ghana. I don't know unko ya ma do it. Na haya na oba because also nya ho fa so. You want boy ya, you should boy. Bi sa ma boy no jai kan. Ni fa dare de kula de kunje gere ni fa.
No kwasam na wo kan. Enu nti na ayese ni amani abre no. Enyina ya boy ya.
You catch them say. Wo hanya ko tere. Aya ba na di o ma ba. What did I make an say? Omo data, only the number of children I want. What's not going to happen for men who are second?
Doctor, I don't want to believe, say, talking cricket doesn't talk because of talking sick. And a tortoise does not speak for nothing. Send them. Father Kai. We are for source. At this point, I hear come. I don't know when I'm. Oh, I saw tears here. I don't want to use the word misunderstanding. So I also want to can say. I want to hold on for a period of time.
Just 3 months. Just 3 months.
Just to say, yeah.
If you were to be in my shoes, you wouldn't be blabbering here.
I'm ready on it. But yes,
you are not.
Doctor,
I am in a critical situation.
Yeah, critical.
Doctor, medi uhoya. Papa. Sabi woni ye adwuma ya che. Wunya ye so faso ye nya so bia enka ye go ye medru sabre. Na sabi dear Reverend Father Kai. I am papa say abide ni papa. I wo take records. Records wo mu take no say ya nhwe so anya adwuma no na say wo mu be take no ochina emienu ni ochina yensa ni wa. Say ye benya asemu. Ye benya asemu ama so wanyim etinya kotre na busu miensa na eni baby a ye kasa yi ora de achia busu miensa eso wate
na afi kura safi
woni ni o kan nyina meti wase echinye bi ye ni hu nanso sabi adwuma yi ye ya che na mo ni kwan ya metimi afa so kwati kwan bi a bi mehia de no be ya am ye nyina ye ho atoye what you say Mr. Mubedre. Mr. Doctor. Mr. Sepsim was what is that? And I was a monkey. Mr. Moy, where you there? At it. And we are Sepsim. Who said the phone there? And I found money. Who said the phone? Who focus your phone? And then I hear you, ma. And then there. Mr. Setching. Ni ya tu ni plenty me asadi maybe. On say 3 months ago. What I see? When I'm me say, doctor, any Timothy. Uni. Try minute I father a meeting. You may be a measure why. Miss Ropi. Oh, there to go. Measure why. Sorry.
What I see? When I'm at Sakasa. Said okay, any about what for? Jane. What must I pass? I be simply for English. I said, yes, I can say, Chinchina, Yenny baby. The best day. Honey, if I told. Yes, you'll give a pay, you may dear P. Why? Compana and Penfobiba. What a cocoa by Eberhand. You do anything, Patrol. Call me a baker, ever for you know, because why?
just a hope on me.
The meeting was a pity in there. Even meeting.
I feel you have good drone. What can I do?
I'm sure from Tuesday.
Reverend, and wow, we deal what Cassandra. You did remember. If you are saying, I did done it. Or the yard, yes, as Miss Sam, try just 3 months was mentioned. So, you will be young. You will meet you. What do you do? Don't you know? What means you? I know I'm catching.
Why are you? Why are you?
Yes, oh, I want for the way if you brain, so I won't wire the amount.
Orphanage, I will say. Yes. Aha, now so try the class B. 3B. Let's. From the beginning of the term, now students near say 25. Okay. 30. And Sisian somewhere say?
We are still 25.
Okay. And you?
Yeah, maybe I'm 26.
26.
Yeah, adopted 2.
And the remaining 2?
I actually don't know their whereabouts, but I told Sister Magdalene. Not sure, said they are very fine, so I shouldn't worry.
Yeah. You don't know their whereabouts?
Yeah.
This is serious. We will not stress you, so see you around.
Thank you.
What is really happening? They don't know their whereabouts. See, I just could.
Namete. Yes, I should have gone.
Me. Remember me saying go be out.
Ah, madam.
Asma making you no pray to so wo bon prayer. I'm no pay ya wa bo bi ene se ma me de na ba hanu say no. Akwana su sama ni tin na ya me hu de me hu.
You say you better. Ah? Yeah, was on the side room. Ah? We are no chance. Once obi aba doctor ko. Obi aba. Mami o be fa ko yi. Bi mi ko ye wo san wa be so mpel. I also depend on home. 32 years, we are going to.
Hey, don't you know if it's a no?
Would you watch a rasta? Who are sorry if you watch a rasta? Huh? I'm going to have that one.
From the same go be out.
Hey, but I'm not sure why. For boom, Vanessa. The Piazza of boom, when the next night, someone wants no crowd. Aunts now. What was that before?
Doctor, I get the check.
What's the 1 year?
Who just my father? Wo. Who can say, well, I'm your size? Who can say, your size? So, be a power in the Adibayo. Yan, you found your note here. See, no way be a lady, who cry a crow. Now we be a war. This is your last chance. You have a chance for another warning. What does my catch on? What I'm talking to you.
I'm saying. I'm going to focus a woman.
I just
didn't about anything. Eh? Yes, I see. What I do is I see. Class 3B. Why do you not want to 2 years? The class 3B. Class 3B. One and crack a boom, almost to say, no more. You will be. Just a woman will be. And that's what you can't see a guy and another break. Allez. Huh? Many did talk for. What job is taking? My palm, Pavia.
Questions I can tell.
Yabacho. adwuma so mpe school wo so mpe tena paso ama na ka die yetimi fa nko ade abotu play
oso bele
obotu play oba wiase mo na ti se obotu play wo ti se kula jabati obi abati wo ko tena ni fie wo ne se wo so wi tenga o ko fara ye akura janka wako na ko be ni aya ko gana ai hey
I'm saying for them they try me sumu kan say red pen my homework for say me mark no akwa it me tam no dey journey homework no onye so ma me mark no wa tam no dey journey
and for me o sa what's what my papa vivia what
oso para so
Mrs. Akone metinti ye pedi ankobembo me. Na bia se wasam ye no me yisi ma tare nya asem ketu o hada. Me ne abi se me de na ba han so o tete me.
O papa ne bi o san.
Se nya mo wa. Manyina kuwa.
Kanko. Wona ne sa bra no.
Kala ma so me da mas.
No se kere ne chewi. Kere ne chewi ye fere se. Doctor.
Ma so ne me da mas. Yo. Kan be se.
Ka. So I rasta. Aso fi ela. Ale wa gobu, ye ne mo kro. Fara we ni, ye ma no. O fogo no.
So se não já nasce.
Não, por fogo. Yeah, ati one. Ina jakabe.
Aja kakara. Presa. Wait.
What's up? Oh, Fala, eu sou esperto.
E contra quem?
Bebele.
Onde já se viu?
O niga kraka o hayo.
Brother Abroka.
Sister Mark.
How are you?
Oh, by grace of God, as you can see, I'm doing good.
That's nice. I must say, you guys are doing very, very good in your work. You're doing so well, and I know definitely the good Lord will bless you.
Oh, for their compliments.
Oh, that's okay. I want to ask you some few things, if only you don't mind.
Oh, feel free. What's it?
Sure? How many were your students from the beginning of this thing?
Okay, there were 17.
17. And how many are there now?
Oh, right now they are 15.
Okay. So, the remaining 2?
Oh, one was adopted. And the remaining girl, that's Sandra. I was absent the day she was taken. And definitely I believe she had been adopted.
Until you follow up on documents and try to say I'm paying or more adopted.
I want to be with the teachers. They need access to it. I know your Reverend Father and sisters in the Omujuma.
And now, like the things you do, pictures, for memories and all that. How do you go about those things too?
Okay, as I've already told you, say you need access to a adoption idea, and only your fathers and sisters in the Omujuma. Yeah, the say everybody have a change on idea. A boss is area off. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Why all these questions?
Oh, there's no problem. I just wanted to know.
You sure?
Oh yeah. They are kids. We have to know where they're going, their whereabouts, how they're doing and all that. No problem. Don't worry, okay? I'll see you around.
Wow, okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Member, I beg this.
Oh, they even listed we are colleagues.
Well, today is exactly 2 weeks, sir. See, baby, you share me 1 week. And now 1 week, so I'll share me. You know the nature of Ade. You need to do too much, but unfortunately, I was disappointed. Madam, Miss, I'm not cool. See, you say me, yes, come here, was
me, my Nkansah. If I had my own way, I think I would in there 1 week and provide. Send them there, be on. Now, since he did, the more I did. Since I now let me catch you, I said, a binding of what to. And I will say 3 at a good. Say, one crown, put you and give me the first one. What it can be. There's so many sir, boom. And I am indeed, what do you miss? And check number and so. You deliver. Money have.
It's not even about time on the deliver. I trust you because but yeah, dear in terms of that's the problem. Some would be bad. I know, say, even if take 1 year crown, you can supply me the kids.
The way I express. Express. And I be so I penny 7 years now. There are strings attached. You know it. You are a businessman. Yeah, I understand your plight and the agency with which you need these kids. Yeah, so to me, in fact, particularly as one
you see the number and yeah, discounts any EPP. I don't mind. Say, she can men triple no and I don't mind. Now we're fasting for us. Because I didn't hear as soon as possible.
Bet you be 600,000.
Look, I don't mind. This is here. This is here. I made 400 neighbors. That's out here. I've done the calculation.
You 1.8.
No,
600 times 3.
No, but already medical amounts are 600.
Oh, okay. Million can make hand bomb nanka wo hon.
No, already medical amounts 600.
Okay, what can I tell? What can I tell? It's really money soon. I'm begging so many.
It's baby strengths and idea. Physically be well. So now, I mean, do something.
When you can yes, you can say, let's be what can you? Yes, you can sooner. Just what 30 every corner.
Do something. Every corner. I mean, even if it's a possible crown after that tripling and second crown, you beat me up. So don't worry. I have your account in. As soon as I get to your friends in the field, I say, why?
What do you mean? You to me, and I'm Surachi. Because let me be honest, let me you. Let me be honest, let me you.
Doc, please. We crown himself, and I'm here, and yet offer was sent them out, but I'm doing it because we already contract. We are here who you may be. Secure was sent them out.
Fair enough.
You get it. Right. It's right. What that room? And then I'm here now to work. Fine.
Yes. I'm fighting every corner.
Sani better than any material, Miss Sumpa, Nasuna Kuman and Nagi. Father Abraham, Father, what fed you my boy? When I walk when I can no show, the Wuja Woya, the Jaswaba. And Jankaya won you, and Jonia cook one, a brano. The Benio, and no, a super for ya. Your funny, Janka. Yes, so, yes, so, Prince, why you're radiant.
More or less, like I said, doctors. Examining it has come to our notice. Very terrible.
No, correct, Father. We are considering a real crowd. Now, the woman say a poor hygiene related effect in this animal. Now, your kitchen. Me na ye film do na ye di mu so aye no me di mu na ko na ya pocket no e ko so say na ne me bi end yi again bi pa na once na ne na so na e mo kitikiti ne na mani ade ni na ka ho ne contaminated food no ti say omudi a na de ya ye we ni na ba nti ye ni o makasa a try o mo pan o me fa so a o me keep e ko clean. You getting in say yes, I provided net a more over the Kata in your so send a bayana and juicy don't let Kataswa and would net a big be safe and see really yes wrong. And yet, with any idea, I best quality. Yeah.
And then again, Father, you provide your more with drugs and you are putting things in measure. And then by the close of today, you will not hear anything about that again. Almost run you. We are very fine.
So, we are meeting you, baby. Oh, never be said with some magic. I know so. A bit more come. Fishing around me, a woman. Timona men, a fishing army, and Papa me. Would depend about one. And the fish you go fishing when you could have and I call it.
Oh, Father,
who did not offer now one day.
Darby, we gave food poisoning. Yeah, now we did not.
They say, you are spy.
Yes. I'm contaminated.
Yeah, kitchen for Nkansah. Michelle will be with mother for a kitchen. Tell me a bomb from what they can spy. No one won the ED.
To see, I educate you on Tino, like my own first way. Yeah.
I never find them like one say, where are they so? Cover. Quite see what you then you see some one kitchen. Why?
Sometimes say I didn't expire. It's really sign
Really come by you. Obey when I depart, she will see. The more share, be a motion plan. Walk on a mobility and day. I buy one for the papa. Head minister, let me share Mamma Soyadi.
Na bio. Some women cry, super, I can't go a month. As soon as I will, and I'm boko.
Oh, Father, but should that be? You did 3 months in the paper. If you say, I say, come maybe for a half or twice.
As soon as I go before. Any say, and I'm putting my coat. I said, you will. 1 month I can.
Oh, Jerry. Everything is documented, so we have to spend the 3 months here to make sure everything is in place before we leave to another place.
Is that from us?
Yes, we have to.
This house.
Yes.
Say 100. 2 years a super. And I must see. Which are waiting.
Yeah, you're going
no.
Reverend, no question ni nkita hudi a di na no ko da ntimi na ene se masan tuma na mo abe wonim si adanti ache no question chi ye bi nti wodi we need you se mafu enu nti na pese wodi me fasa akon so wodi afa chem pa che opi fa chem doctor
do wonye buni bia ya okay fisi shase bi du jebi obi anya mfuso ntiri menko minti minye bi da waya dia mempa ka ka che se doctor ade oyeye mempe se na be ya wonye bi boni bi anim na mum se na me ka che wo abai ama doctor sabaha e be hwem kurai mempese di boni bia beba na be ku se be orphanage no ase also your orphanage ya ani wa hapa mpedemfo pii e ya be wufia a omunya nhire firi ti medi wi mochi emiko se orphanage emiko da emesena ti mesre wo monche acha kwa 3 months no musa ko na fe asa shase se me banko fo ade e no tankra me nsande maw na fe mu ko na gbere no ma wa fe mpacho nkura na wei me kadai edu hawo ni amane na eba ti masro mamiti ya wape trema jide ene kwa bi egwa bia o mu so ntwen wonti me ntwen ongo India nenti me mwa obi a yesika mitwe mi yesika batu nyina pavement batu skina de beye nanso samre yemra apan adwuma fofia menya sata dabi na mra bia bidime so
me ntwa no na no kwasem bohye da ho ne se nka sika yetua ma abofra bia e be bo ho prensa isan se won hia e de adijuma emre nso da so se mre no pa ho pe che se won ni da so nyina asa won so ye titiri wo man
do masiro
prensa
sika di obia pisika nenye samle mbumi abai kana mampanyi adwuma fofia masiro wode mo hom prensa matiasi mo ntwen e mam doctor simfifia nko akwa yemienu nyapete wati ebi ko fanya me na mana basa makwai ma wensi matima sini ntwam nko ebebua
nti o ya ho bibia nyi nasa binso medjuma e ya bo it affect you nyina so wo de bo mo reverend
ana me ko fe mi college si bi su ebi no so wonye sade bi na ko fa hade bremi timesio anya de bi onu bu asi de be kame ise wuti boyi akawa akame so akawa ya ana woni atwoti se kim mo ba chi me timesio yenya butire enu so ntwa open wati
ni sape o sure
Nothing.
No. Hey, Bibia to check. Why? Ever says enter.
It's what you're way around. Won't to me fancy a rat?
Monetarium. And I say so, your man watch you like records are minion of the piano. Is a Caribbean info. And I think say saying near among who say many about Wama and your man to each then I'll come. Say, Patrick.
No. Because what you say, things are back to normal. No.
You've been a man.
You're wrong. When you say your doctor's issue in one case,
Really?
You won't believe it. A lot of things are happening here. And I'm not saying I'm this is a very dangerous case. Manya abotire ahwehwe nya kasa me de many hu bi many teachers na su bia kasa di nkomo na ye ko so ha ne de e aksem kase pa o
Apart from the me make sure and you must for course so amenya we
and even there are things that the kids need. But uko storeroom you see things, but they don't give it to the children. Like if you go to the storeroom now and you see a can of milk, the next day then
what's the essence of bringing all those things here?
But they don't give it to the kids too.
Oh no, me and me pack wiki bia nuanu mu bedi ni bibia yemfa mo.
The fact that you see them doesn't mean they give them to the children.
He cooks no. Say we spoke to them.
I personally spoke to Reverend. And from the way he was talking, I mean, he was hiding something. And I believe so. Right now, I can't really confirm anything, but I know my facts are right. I'm waiting and still gathering to confirm everything and then move straight to the regional commander. Because this is serious. This is child trafficking. I mean, they are endangering the life of the children.
And that's why when you come to talk about it, they feel you are a threat to them.
Wow. Anyway, you know in America, some me mama away. And go back catch me. Me mama on phone you see me. You understand?
Maybe she's not aware of it.
Yes.
She's not.
Oh wait. The mother is not aware of all this. No. Me mama on your way. In Quebec catch me because ono ninjuma na wo ye no me buy e na me to aso no. E na me kwa na me access to me mama room. In the office, me kwa me share bibia okay me mami. You understand?
Do you know they don't really have proper documentation here?
They
don't. I'm suggesting they fake everything. I'm yet to confirm and find out.
That be documents is me mami original copies in our office.
That's what you think.
So it means they did everything so they'll bring the innocent kids here and know what to do with them without the government knowing of it.
And in the eyes of the public, we all know, oh, these people are really taking care of the kids. They are even endangering their life. That's the saddest thing.
Because like few days back when I came to sister's place and we were talking, like the things that were happening, it wasn't nice. And you know, sister is very transparent. On my mates here, see everything that was going on and everything. But the kids, they really need help. They need help.
That's the more reason why you guys are here. We all have to come together and help the kids. To them is send your more can Nkansah teach you. But you would me trust still. It's not me. I say me better when you
You can say just a mere something, but really, it's serious, very, very serious.
Too much. It's too much.
Where are you?
I'm confused.
Don't worry, just leave everything to me. Okay? We'll get to the root of this, right?
Sure. That's why we're here, so everything will be fine.
Yes. My doctor and I was
Okay.
This is here, but here, if you reverend home, and
it's your bad half time, dear.
I will match and Anopa anytime. Obanso are the way and no Matien. And so suspicious.
And nobody is doing anything about it.
Pia, she say, the worst part they say, who complain here, no more bofu. We are here to protect the kids. I didn't see a granny moon, any problem. They can't, who can't move.
And then they are not here to help the kids. Then.
Yes. It is serious. Who can't so and you it is the same. Mama need that much.
Oh yeah.
And anything more and so you guys.
Yes. Anything you're buying. And now we are here. Everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Yes, we will, because we have to get to the root of this matter.
Yes.
Before it gets out of hand.
I believe, say, by the grace of God, we are all kicking good.
Yes.
Yes. Say me bisa. Say necessary why. Say nkola no me zo mu tino mu bae na mu anka so mu no mu kita di so ya net say.
Okay, father. No mu kita di dia. Fiti sana mo bae no. Yo ho no ma ba, ye class no ma be hwen nkola no. No ko. When I say them to Oba,
because this is an orphanage, right? Per my understanding. And these kids you guys are taking care of, they have nobody. And see, if they are in your care, if people are not taking good care of them, I collect me, and you just take it normal like that. Oh, Pia Kashi.
I want to be able to the sense that say, I'm adopting for our heart. Aya boy amane anase se be na ya mo ne ye kwansa na o adopting ko na almost like say boy adopting ko la no obi be adopt bi na say ye ho a ana say e bi ra ye mbo o mama ne
Small no eka.
We are here and everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Easy.
Everything will be fine.
Because the next minute, the next day, when you make a crochet documents no record no na sakra no ni meaning is so behind it. I am adopting.
We'll get to the root of the matter. Yeah, I'm assuring you, because like it's too much. Yeah. We'll do our best.
Right. Today, my name Nkansah is Nkansah.
Okay. If anything, I'll call you. Thank you.
Also, sir, so we are going
Father, what do you
we, I was here from.
In my piazza. They were faking. Miniature. I had a good to do. What me say?
Father, sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Meet me.
Weezy Empire presenting The Orphanage. to me fancy radio. Asasisu, Bibiara, Obayano. Kai unu say, Eda radianim. Won't to me fancy or Cassieda. No man than anyone de Joe. Adibiara, Obayano. Kai unu say, Ubeka swaba.
Made a series of calls through to your phone, but me phobia no neglect, right? Anyway, I don't need you to answer that. Let me go straight to the point. How far with our contracts?
You know what? In as much as you know that I haven't reneged in my responsibility to deliver on schedule, and this has happened.
Dr. Jabro, go straight to the point. How far with our contract as it neglected and then go straight to the point. How far with our contract?
Winning baby. I said, "Nia obu ye funu nenso." Esa oti ase se. Nye se ni echa ase. Bibi na abentra. Oti ase. Asa me ka kira say. Aban no de WHO officials abegu ho. Yeah, omu taking inventory of whatever is going on. Eti bosome mi ansa de ase nche na aso. Ye kan ikura se ye twam ba bosome ba ko ni do. Aka kakra. Eti tobo.
And you see, and on your car. Can you say now near car now? Can be alternative. And besides, no. Besides, it's because of the dates now, the man, you know. It's now a triple scan. We give you 3 times the number of scanners.
The fact is that we double scan on Chile. Ebetimi abante.
Point of correction, it was triple. It was triple.
Fine. Thank you for correcting me. But yet, Sanka Hojo, Sanka Mayana Dada. Ye ntwentwe ye nanse. Ye hye mre na ne aye nti we aba no eso hu se bibi. Bibi na asie kwakutubo. What you say?
Anyway, 3 months. Me blunt with you. You ain't mean take it 3 months. I'm giving you 3 good days. And I don't want to have this banter back and forth with you. Just 3 days. I guess you know what I'm capable of doing. Yeah.
Winnie, meti wasie. Meti wasie. Na winnie.
Me say me ma 3 days. Me say me nim she. Who to me for what?
Alternative way a obetimi de anya bi because enough from da for bank when you be the dada. Me pe osika de ama.
Be pe mi sika.
Me say sika so de ya je ya na ya de ye bibi o.
Be pe mi sika ama me. It's time wastage no. Are you going to pay?
Oh.
No, time wastage now.
You say near share say now so e de asuban so no.
Why? Mama, 3 good days.
3 days.
3 days.
Na 3 days u di benya bi anka de no wan ko pe bi e. E de so no.
No man in anyone de Joe. Adibiara Obayano. Guy who say, Ubeka Swaba. Your family, Nkansah. Yes, oh, Muye. Yes, oh, Muye.
Oh, fuck up. Yeah. 20,000. Not the NCA. 15,000. Yeah, 18,500. You see 15,000.
No na betrosu. The jantro be sims. See what I'm say last month Obahani didn't come with na. The minimum said you never kasai. Akwada adwen ho say entweli ankoi. Say you only an ejuma. It no ose say you fancy the baby and you fancy. The mom only on come bia. So ni bedi. I'm sure that I will get never meet in Mabana. In that class, Nadia will be out to join you. I went to the one day.
So there's simple Fiji. Father, you only so calm.
Just say, Nkansah na heavy. Ushua Juma in Dr. Ushwaya. In an Eshasi. Now, just my bar. That's what she has said. Near Kwakuma tree, which Chinaji. You can oka. A basa and what? If you say one too much, no man to us, and you eat. And tell us in a minute by my side, let him not to go. What do you do? In your tears into the IRJ. I was one just in beauty up. What's the go you feel? Tinkaboom, eh? You fix it away in 1 year. No chop about ya. You penny. Phone me no cool. Chinacha. Yellow cassette. Pushing me a semi, we don't say. Papa, I say, what can be? Meet your pet. Now, Swiss is here. Yes, I did what you say. Ah. Order what you want, Nagapayama. Ah, yeah. Soon.
Doc, simple.
We Nkansah Nkansah opinion said because many are so we grant to aya wajia to we na chile say me adon that's all me da CP and da mu na so say any one Nkansah so aya because am for but the poor the tada aya na mtumi say tietia mu na so kakra na so me fa bisa na say tie ni because ni Sedia, Yenya, Aban Crawford or Maba, and I say World Health Organization, Ba or Maba, Yahunia, Ekoswayati. Na, me pese, the two and Fufu, I bet me up one. And he said, Yenya himself, say, for Ba, na Omabe adopt my friend. It me pese, a Quabisono, we try on Maba, we didn't let us say, me pese me adopt my friend. We did this son behind him. It's in the years and so be a match. A young man, son, as I why any new intra maybe adopt. Second be assessing so which year. Now, when say made one console, Herod, and a poor, but I became both random. And he nature said, I will be a pity until winner because I needed to get this away here. Because it's very laudable.
So for the normal process.
The normal process.
Yeah, we say,
not to offer.
So yeah, the rest who don't say, be a person Kasaba.
I didn't know PM was saying so. And I did in your cost.
Father, no question me. Brony said, I am sitting on 10 tablets. As I'm going Some Kasa may train and I can see a train Mabosumi say, Asu. No question me. Baby, I didn't go Kujan, and even Ukra will take Rampo. I was in the field. Na 7. You have a young boy at you. It is one, say, be a me, be free, be a woa, 7 man here, a behind a you and you imagine I was fair.
Already. Oh, December. Got the workers. Can you burn it? Can I say? Now, so, and when you see in your farm, think when you work, Yati, you see, be here. They are doing married. Never for sweat baby. If you be in Kwadwo, you be nowadays in your mouth. Why? Really? My boy.
No, I say me. Oh, Mamma, come on, Tommy. This answer. Why wouldn't you? Why, you know, I can't talk number. Not 1, 2 and a movie. It is a minute to me and 2 and a 1 and 1. Dear Limguasi, ever you do us. Where dear, I said that I don't want to say. I say, P said, we didn't even buy. You say she.
It's a very
that is one in here. I want to mention what is skippy. We very in that service.
Yes, you are not careful. Pet.
Of a number process in here, because high is any one I'm going to so okay. He's not going to go out. What about you?
And the father, the Scannable trip. God, and yet, they must be in quality and reading. And sadly, when I went from your risk, I was more than come.
To me fancy or Cassiata. No man in other anyone that Joe. I did Biara Obayano. Guy who said, Ubeka Swaba. You're funny. Inganka. Yes, oh, Muye. Yes, oh, Muye.
No time. Hey, I'm going to show you.
When I walk when you can't know the Wuja year, okay, just what a Jankaya body you, a Jonia coupon one, a brano, nobody knew, and whoa, a super for you. You're funny, Inganka. Yes, oh, yes, oh, Frisa, why you're radiant.
So, no opposition. For movie cast is seeing. It's really smart.
No, slow down. What's happening?
I don't know why you stopped.
Yes. Nice.
come. It's just a mere coincidence. I don't think it's funny.
Mataba Saidu Ya Subi Nasi Nana Almost when you have been so tika Can't take a big sacrifice. Mama will see. Hey! Saidu! You are under an arrest. You have every right to remain silent. Say or do. Arrest them. No, I have the right to come and arrest. No. No. Arrest what? Arrest them. Arrest what? No. Make out. No. Arrest what? No. Hey. Listen, we can talk to you. Hey, sir. Hey, listen to me. Charlie.
If you move, my friend, move. Go.
Oh, Susu pushing me. What is this? You don't respect that?
This is a year 665. Was it 678?
378.
678. And you 665.
77.
No.
My name is Detective Mackenzie. You are under arrest for child trafficking and deceiving the public. When you're a Roman for, Mudin any Roman book no. And Mako Pimpam Roman Atadia say, Eddie Dadam for. And throw any a pobo and a modesty her. More tonton and cry, no more kumkumbi. Mumre Abbey. More time, a baby, yes. Officer, arrest them! Hey!
Who are I?
Officer, take them!
What's checking up? Okay. No. I'm the restaurant. This is here. Hey! Hey, Sister Madani. Sister Madani.
I told you my mom is innocent. Relax. We'll find out when we get there. I don't understand. I should relax. Nkansah, we'll find out at the station. What do you mean? What do you mean we'll find out at the station? Nkansah. Nkansah. Oh, I don't know. Nkansah. Mommy. Oh. Hello. What?
Hey. Go back. Go back.
No man than anyone de Joe. I did be a obeyano. Guy who said, Ubeka Swaba. Orphanage in Nkansah. Yes, oh, Muye. Yes, oh, Muye. Free set, where radiani. I want for the one if you be brain. So I won't wire the Amawo. Ubi so to me and yes, I will be so micro. Wako Jana to Sumeraso. Yes, it's a triadico. At as if I see soon your door. Oda seni beker neni machre nyame sumpa na suna kumane na dwimu Yesu